Hi, this is Alex Thomas, and I'm going to show the LiveCode app that I made called Animals, and it'll become apparent why I called it Animals in just a second. So start it up, and this is running in Windows. I start it up, and it says Animals there, and it has three choices: dog, cat, and fish. And when you click on one of them, it shows you a picture of a dog, a cat, and a fish. So very exciting stuff here. And so let me show you a little bit about how I did that. Okay, so I'm in LiveCode now, and the first thing I did was I took this widget here called the option menu, and I drug it out over to here. If I click on it, it has some properties, and you can name it and give the three choices here that you see. I also imported these pictures. You can't see the dog because it's the smaller of the three, and it's underneath the other two. I went to File, Import Control, Import Images, and imported these three images, and just placed them where I wanted to be. All right, right now you can see them because I have this Show Invisible Objects selected. But if I unselect that, they all go away because they all start off invisible. But I'm going to turn that back on. So for example, if I click on this fish, I can see that the ID of this image is 1010, and the visible is, I thought this was, oh, visible. Visible is right here. It's unchecked, so that means in normal circumstances it will be invisible. So now the main part of this is the code behind this box here. So if I click on this, oh, sorry, wrong one. If I click on that, select it, and then go up to the code, you can see what actually makes this work. So this first part, on menu, pick, item name, and switch, this part, and the very end switch and end menu pick, already was created for me. I had to put actually all this in myself. So what this is basically saying is, if I choose dog, do these statements, which is set the visible attribute on item 108 to true and the rest to false. And same thing with the cat picture, but instead of setting 108 to true, I set 107 and everything else to false. And the final one is if I select animal, which is like the default one, it sets everything to false, which makes it invisible. So that's my quick little first dive into LiveCode.